Now this question comes from the Netherlands as well. Is it possible for air or sunlight to get into the product and reduce the effectiveness of vitamin E by destroying it? Or can it escape from the bottle? I know sunlight can affect color of product, but can it break down vitamin E and reduce its effectiveness in the product? I love this question because it shows that even if you have the correct information, it can be misinterpreted to reach the wrong conclusion. That's why it's really more important to understand the big picture than to memorize a lot of different little small facts. If you see the big picture, you'll see how these facts all fit together, and that makes it a lot easier to notice information that doesn't fit the facts. That's one way to separate facts from misunderstandings. Now, here's some information you'll need to know before we start. First, vitamin E is a nutritional supplement. However, when this same material is added to cosmetics, the proper name that's supposed to appear on the label is Tocopherol, since that is the ingredient's proper cosmetic name. I'll use the cosmetic name in my answer, but you'll know I'm speaking about the same substance. No, Tocopherol does not escape. But yes, it is rapidly destroyed when exposed to heat or sunlight, especially excessive heat or sunlight, I should say. However, don't be disappointed, because this is exactly what tocopherol is supposed to do. Tocopherol only has one job, and it does that job very well. Heat and light exposure can cause the formation of fragments of molecules called free radicals. These are highly unpredictable, but often cause unwanted chemical and physical changes to occur. Tocopherol chemically reacts with and destroys these unpredictable fragments as soon as they form in the product. However, in the process, tocopherol is also slowly destroyed because it must chemically combine with these free radicals to get rid of them. Now, free radical, that is a scientific name, but it exactly describes what these things do. Free radicals can form freely, and they can do some radical things to any substance they interact with, or I should say most substances. There are many types of free radicals, but they have a few things in common. They're extremely reactive and can cause microscopic damage when they attack the outer surfaces of nail, hair, or skin. Free radicals only exist for a short time before they find another molecule and react with it. Well, rather than react with your nails, hair, and skin, tocopherol molecules get in the way and they react with the free radicals before they can cause damage. Since tocopherol can prevent damage, it's often called an anti-aging ingredient, but it really isn't that at all. This is an example of PUFFERY, which means to make a grand statement designed to make something sound way better than it really is. But PUFFERY isn't being dishonest. Even so, some are misled by these claims. Don't misunderstand. Tocopherol does indeed help prevent visible signs of aging, as it says, but it just doesn't prevent aging itself, so it's not anti-aging. It's impossible to turn back the hands of time, no matter how much the lotion or the cream cost. So tocopherol should probably be called anti-damaging, but that doesn't sound nearly as good. Free radicals can develop quickly or slowly, depending on the amount of light or heat available. Increased exposure to heat and light can speed up the formation of free radicals. Rancidity of vegetable oils is caused by free radicals. Now, because tocopherol prevents rancidity, that's one of the main reasons it's added to cosmetics that contain natural oils. Tocopherol will be slowly destroyed while preserving the product from rancidity and protecting its shelf life. Tocopherol can help improve the shelf life of products, but eventually all the tocopherol would be reacted with free radicals and then it would be completely consumed. Only then will the natural oils begin to go rancid. To preserve the shelf life, you should store the products in a cool location out of direct sunlight.